We are rolling.
My feeling about the future of space is maybe a little different. You see, I don't care what happens in the next 10 years, or the next 20 years, or the next 100 years. I'm very concerned about what's going to happen in the next 1,000 years, because that's going to be when things start to get critical. I view the space program as preparation, building the infrastructure, building the machines, building the technology, building the people who know what they're doing, to transport us someplace else when we can't live here anymore. I believe that is the real reason for the space program. We don't understand it. We don't even accept that as a reason, but that's what I believe. I think we are genetically different. Let me put it this way. Every living thing on Earth, from the grass to the trees to the animals, the humans, to whatever that's biologically alive, has one grand imperative. And that grand imperative is survival of their species. And I don't care if it's grass, it sends seeds hundreds of miles away. Trees do the same thing. Animals procreate. Humans procreate. So survival of the species is a very basic building block to life. And I believe that even though we don't recognize it as such, that our development of the space program is our initial beginnings to develop a system that will help our species survive when the Earth can't be lived in anymore.